Hi folks, Paul here from Flycam. I'm based up in far north Queensland in Cairns. It's winter, but winter up here is like everyone else's summer. I'm flying a Sony FX1 with a genuine Sony wide-angle lens on the front of it on a Blackbird stabilizer, and that's mounted to a Merlin arm and vest. As you can see back there, I was pulled in nice and tight, I zoomed back and I took off on the fly. That's one of the advantages of using a genuine Sony camera. Well, not a Sony camera, but a genuine video camera on a stabilizer. Not only can you fly it full wide, you can get all your connection shots and zooms and pans and stuff. Now, those digital SLRs are great to fly, but you can't do stuff like that. So that's why I prefer to fly an actual video camera. Now you're wondering why I'm looking down? Well, we're in the rainforest and there's lots of roots and stuff. Well, I'll just spin you around and you can have a look yourself. Talk to you soon. Not bad, eh? I'll just fly a little bit further up here and then I'm about to, well, I'll attempt to stop and I'll lock onto a subject in the distance and I'll attempt to zoom in. Might be a little bit bumpy. I'm actually using a remote control in my hand. It's a fairly small one, so I'm hoping I can actually mount it underneath the gimbal or on the handle I'm hanging onto. That way I don't have to take my hand off the stabilizer. Anyhow, we're just going to do it up here. Let's see how we go. Not bad, eh? So, as you can imagine, if you had a wedding or an event, you can just fly it around all day or all night, stop, zoom in, get your cutaways. You don't need a tripod. And you can do it all on one camera. And the fact that you can do it all on one camera, it's going to make your editing very, very quick. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.